Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers, nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're going to be getting into this tutorial. Today we're doing a tutorial on this beautiful palette by Huda Beauty, the Mercury Retrograde. Now, I am so obsessed with the packaging. Like, I live for iridescent, like, futuristic, glowy stuff. So this is what the palette looks like open, and I feel like these shades are so gorgeous. They're so everyday wear, and they're just so beautiful. I'm gonna be getting straight into this tutorial, you guys, because I really want to waste no time recording this intro because it is freaking hot in my house. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste no time getting into this tutorial. If y'all see me sweating, I apologize, but I'm gonna try to get as many like pictures and just as much as I can without sweating. So yeah, with that being said, let's get straight into this tutorial. I hope that y'all love it as much as I do, and yeah, let's jump straight into it. Starting off with my regular primer. This is the Anastasia primer, and it's honestly so good, but I like to use it on, I like to use a concealer on top of this just to make sure that it adds a really good coverage and a base for me for my eyeshadows to pick up on. You can use this alone, and I feel like it would do just the exact same thing because y'all can see this working as a concealer, base, and a primer. So yeah, y'all can get away with just this. And also, you guys, I want to mention that I'm going back and editing this, and oh my god, my lip, oh my god, I was sweating, period. I'm not even gonna get into like why I was sweating. Well, y'all know why I was sweating. It was hot in my house, but I'm not gonna get into like where I was sweating. It's just, whew, ew, okay. But yeah, it was freaking hot that day. Yeah, it's hot in Texas. So like nothing really that I didn't expect, but I really wasn't expecting it to be that hot inside. I had my fan going too, by the way, you guys, and that still didn't help the issue because it just didn't. Whenever I would turn it off, or I had to turn it off to record like my intro, oh my god, that's when I really started sweating, and that's why y'all could see like me sweating. Anyways, moving on, back to the tutorial. Honestly, everybody's been going crazy about the Euphoria, and I still have to watch it. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I still have to watch it. I've literally just been recording. I only usually have like one day off in between, or two, but yeah. Anyways, my point is I have to watch it because everybody's been saying that my looks are like very Euphoria related or inspired looking, and I live for the Euphoria looks. Y'all already know, I mentioned that in my last video. Like, I'm obsessed with the way the makeup artist that did the Euphoria makeup did, because she is so creative, so talented, and it's just like little things like that that add so much detail into a look. I'd be so obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed. So here I'm using the white shade from the Norvina palette. This is my new favorite white. Y'all can use any white that y'all want. Unfortunately, I don't believe the Mercury Retrograde had a white, but like I said, y'all can use any white that y'all want. Y'all already know, using patting motions and just patting that onto that area just to make it that way. Now going in with the Mercury Retrograde, and I'm honestly so obsessed with this packaging, like y'all have no idea. I'm living. And the shade range, like these are more for my natural gals and guys, of course, kings and queens. Honestly, y'all would look so sickening in this look, and this is more of an everyday palette, but it still came out to be like a way to make a creative look. But I honestly love how natural these shades are. First, I'm going in with the shade Haze, by the way, you guys, which is like this light blue. And it's honestly so gorgeous. Like I said, this palette is more natural shade related, so maybe I'll do a natural look if y'all want me to do a natural look. Let me know down in the comments if that's what y'all want. But I really wanted to put good use to like the blue in this, and also just see what I could come up with, because I really love my creative look. So obviously I went in with the shade Haze first, and I'm using that, and I'm only bringing that in halfway into my lid. Y'all don't want to bring it all the way forward, because we're going to be using like a purple shade in the inner corner, and it's so bomb. Like I said, I didn't have any ideas, or I never have any ideas of what I'm going for when I'm doing my looks. I just go for them, and this is what I'm coming out with. I'm honestly so freaking obsessed with the shade range. Like, I kind of want to do a natural look. Like I said, I've been getting more into natural looks as well, because I know that not everybody can go out with looks like this, and I get it. And also the natural looks have been growing on me, like for real, they've been growing on me, and I've been doing more natural looks on myself, and I'm like, I get it. I get why people want more natural looks. They're more wearable, and they are just so stunning to enhance your beautiful natural features that you already have. So now I'm going to be going in with the shade Libra, and this shade is so gorgeous. It's like a light purple, and I'm using that there in the inner corner, and I'm going to be blending that basically almost all the way up. But I honestly think this shade is so gorgeous, and I feel like Haze and Libra, like, they just complement each other so nicely next to each other, and they're just those like pastel looking colors. It doesn't really look like Libra is gonna look the way it does on the eye, or like it doesn't look the same on in the pan, but I'm honestly so obsessed with this shade because I was not expecting it to be a lavender shade. Also, you guys, I want to mention that it's Saturday, August 8th, 2020. I mean, y'all should know the date, honestly, but I'm just keeping this for memory's sake, just because we reached 1,000 subscribers, which is so freaking insane. I wish I could scream louder, just because I have so much excitement in me, but my grandma is sleeping. But I'm so freaking grateful for every single one of y'all. Like, y'all literally make my day every single day, and I really wouldn't be going to the place that I'm going to or where I'm going without y'all. Just know that y'all's support is literally how I'm gonna be getting to where I'm gonna be going, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense to y'all. By the way, you guys, I'm using this shade Hot Mess, and I'm just gonna be using that to deepen up that inner portion of my eye, just to, like I said, deepen up there. But yeah, you guys, we made 1,000 subscribers, and it's so crazy because I literally started my YouTube a year ago, and I quit my full-time job so determined, and I'm still just as determined to get to where I want to be. And I'm so happy that I have y'all along with me, because growing up I never really had friends, and I never really had anybody to talk to, and I feel like this has become a platform for me to be able to express myself a lot more and not be judged. I'm sorry, I'm like tearing up, but I really am grateful. Fuck. I'm sorry, but I'm just so grateful. Like, it's just crazy how much we've come and how much I've progressed with y'all. And I just remember when I started, like, I wasn't as confident in my looks or comfortable doing makeup, and y'all have made me so grateful. And I'm so excited to see what the future has in store for us. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know, like, I love every single one of y'all. I hope that my videos help y'all in any kind of way, and I hope that y'all can express yourselves without feeling judged. That's like my biggest thing. I feel like I used to always get judged for being myself, and I don't want anybody to ever feel like that, especially on my platform. So just know you're loved here, you're accepted, and you can be whoever you want to be. And okay, enough of the tears. Anyways, okay. So I'm now going in with the shade Mercury, and I'm just using that halfway from the inner portion of my eye, just halfway, and then I use the shade Ultraviolet. By the way, you guys, they were two different, two different textures, if that makes sense, or like, basically Ultraviolet didn't let me apply with a brush, but putting it on with my finger wasn't that big of a deal. And yeah, I mean, it's still a gorgeous shade. Yeah, sorry about the tears, you guys. Are like, you know, I wasn't expecting to cry, but you know, it is what it is. Express yourself. Like I said, I didn't grow up having a lot of friends, so I'm happy that I have so many loving people, so many accepting people on my platform, and I just can't wait to see what the future has in store for us, for real. So here I'm taking the Nervina Electric Cake Liners, and I'm honestly so freaking obsessed with these liners. Like, they're so bright, so vivid, and also under like a black light, they look sickening. Like, they literally glow. Yeah, they're so gorgeous. But here I'm just taking the electric pink, and then I took the electric lime, and I don't think I used the electric yellow in this one just because I feel like it would have probably looked a little bit too Easter-like, and that's not what I was going for, but still a gorgeous shade. So just gonna be taking that electric pink and just gonna be winking that wing. And then gonna be taking the electric lime and just gonna be applying that right to where, or right above where I cut my crease, just to enhance that, I guess, cut crease and those glitters and those shades. I really feel like this made all those shades really pop, and I really liked that I added this because, I don't know, it's so gorgeous. It's like little details like this that I love to add in my looks that I feel like make a big difference, because it really just makes everything else really pop. And like I said, I really love catching attention, especially when it comes to new people, new artists, obviously makeup brands. I really am trying to get recognized and noticed. I'm just really ready to get my career going because I know that I'm talented, and I know that I have some sickening looks that I really don't ever see from any other artist. I've seen many artists do the same looks, but you know, I think I bring something different and unique to the table, and I really just want that to be the new makeup, or the new makeup influencers. I really want that to be like the new wave, I guess. I really want to see some talented influencers. I don't want to see the same influencers doing the same looks, if y'all know what I mean. But yeah, that's just tea. That's not shade. Just letting y'all know, because I know y'all in the comments, oh, you're being shady. By the way, you guys, I went over that liner with the Anastasia liner, basically trying to go around those edges just to really make it kind of like art pop, or is it pop art? Anyways, not what I was going for, but that's kind of how it ended up looking, and I mean, I was with it. I'm here for it. By the way, you guys, I also want to say that I used the ultraviolet on my lips, and then I just added gloss to it, and I mean, it was like a lavender tinted gloss, and it really just completed the look. I feel like it totally went with the vibe and everything. And also, of course, bedazzles. You can never go wrong with bedazzles. Like I said, little things like this add so much detail to a look, and just sickening, gorgeous, stunning, period. That's it. By the way, I just want to say thank you so much if you watched this literally the whole way through. I'm honestly so freaking grateful for you. And if you haven't, please make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I literally upload twice a week, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. Like, I'm on my I'm on it, okay? And I feel like my creativity is coming through so much lately. I feel like I've been so comfortable in my looks, and I just can't wait for y'all to see what other looks I have coming. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching it all this way. I went ahead and added these finishing touches with the Juanita glitter, and yeah, I just want to say thank you so much. Y'all literally mean the world to me, and I can't wait for us to see what the future has in store for us. Alright Foxy, so this is the finished look on the Mercury Retrograde by Huda Beauty. I honestly love this palette so much. This is one of my newer palettes and I can't wait to play with it even more for y'all, but honestly I hope that y'all love this look today. If you recreate it, please make sure to tag me or DM me. I would love to see it and repost it on my Instagram. And until next time, please make sure to leave me some love, some likes, and some comments, and I will see y'all in my next video. Alright, bye Foxies.